Hey friends, this is Atif Well and welcome to the new update on Tezos coin. And today we will discuss that Bitcoin and every top altcoin is moving up at this time, but the Tezos is moving down. What is the reason behind that? There are two basic reasons, and I'll tell you those basic reasons, and I'll also tell you when the Tezos will be moved up, because there is a very strong bullish harmonic move that the Tezos is forming at this time for the next bullish rally. So don't skip the video, watch the video all the way to the end. I'll tell you all the reasons why it is not moving up, and I'll tell you when it will be moved up. First of all, let me to tell you that the Tezos is one of the coin that never disappointed me. First of all, let me to share some of my charts, even all of my charts that I have shared on the Tradingview and with you people on the YouTube and on the different platforms as well. This was my first chart that I shared on Tezos, the XTZ with US dollar chart. And here I predicted that the price action on the very long-term 2-week chart has completed this bullish gauntlet pattern, and I predicted that it can produce up to 150% bullish rally. And now I'm playing this chart. I posted this chart in November 2019, and you can see that so far it has produced even more than 150%. Then I shared a very short-term 4-hour chart on the XTZ with US dollar pair. And here I predicted that the price action has completed the bullish bat pattern. And as per prediction, the price action is moved up after entering in this potential reversal zone. It was moved a little bit down, and after that, it was moved up. And if I share the next chart with you, and here I predicted that the price action will complete this bullish gauntlet pattern, because this was the initial leg. The second leg was retraced between 0.618 to 0.786 Fibonacci. Then it was projected between 0.382 to 0.886, and we received two confirmations for the bullish gauntlet. Therefore, on basis of two confirmations, I predicted that the price action will be entered in this potential reversal zone that starts from 0.618 to 0.786 Fibonacci retracement level, and from here it will be moved up. And this was the daily chart. I'm just playing this chart, and you can see that the price action finally entered in this potential reversal zone and started a very powerful bullish rally, and even it crossed up this sell target zone. You can see it was entered here and moved up. Now if we watch the next chart, then it was the bullish shark pattern, not the shark pattern. This was a cipher pattern, and this was the 12-hour chart when the price action just entered in this potential reversal zone. And I predicted that as per bullish cipher, it should be moved up from here, and you can see that the price action turned very strong bullish and even broke out this sell target zone as I defined as per Fibonacci sequence of this bullish cipher. And finally, I just posted this chart in March 2020 with you guys. Then the price action entered in this bullish shark potential reversal zone, and as per Fibonacci sequence of the bullish shark, I just predicted that the price action should move up from here, and you can see that it has triggered very powerful bullish rally, and at this time it is moving sideways here in this potential sell zone or Fibonacci projection of C to D leg as defined as per Fibonacci sequence of this bullish shark pattern. Now, after watching all these moves, you can understand that how much easy it is to predict about this coin. Whenever it forms any pattern, or it gives any signal that it is forming any pattern, it follows that pattern accordingly as per predefined calculation and directions of that pattern. For example, at this time we can see that the price action is moving in this wedge pattern, and we have I've also placed this moon phases indicator here, and we can see that the new full moon is almost at the resistance of this wedge pattern, and we have received this dark moon below the support. Therefore, we can expect that the price action can move up to this dark moon, because since after it was hit at the resistance of this wedge pattern, so far the movement up to this support is due. You can see that so far after this spike up to this resistance, the movement up to this support is due. The price action is not reached up to this level. Therefore, this is the first reason that at this time the Bitcoin and all of the top coins are moving up, but this coin is moving down because it is moving towards the resistance of this wedge pattern. And I have also placed this 200 simple moving average that is indicating that it will be difficult for the price line to break down this level. Even we can expect a spike beyond this 200 simple moving average as well, because there is a bullish bad pattern formation. We have an initial leg here. If I'll show you on the next page, then here we can see more clear that this is the initial leg, and after that the next leg is retraced between 0.382 to 0.50 Fibonacci retracement level. Then we have a projection between 0.382 to 0.886 Fibonacci projection of A to B leg, and the final leg should be retraced between 0.786 up to 0.886 Fibonacci retracement as required for the bullish bad pattern. And this is the second reason that the price action is not moving up and it is moving down for the completion of this final leg, when it will be entered here, and very soon it will be entered here. This is the daily chart. And after here entering at this level that starts from $2.45 and ends up to $2.34, it can move up to this level. Realistically, it can move up to this level, that is $2.72 up to $3.12. But it can also move up beyond this potential sell zone or Fibonacci projection, that is the projection of A to D leg. Once it will be able to cross at this level, then it can start more powerful bullish rally than the previous one. So this was the second reason that the price action is completing this final leg of this bullish bad pattern. This is same as like this Gartley pattern that I have shared before in December 2019, that the price action was moving down only for the completion of this final leg. And I am playing this chart, and you can see that the price action, as per Gartley pattern, entered in 0.786 up to 618 to 0.786 Fibonacci retracement level, and from there it was moved up and even crossed up this level. So we can also expect that the price action can move up to this level, or even it can cross up this level, because as the price action is moving up, it is going at the end of this wedge pattern. It is getting squeezed. So this is the decision making time for the price line to break out or break down this resistance or support of this wedge pattern. So we can expect a very powerful breakout soon by the price action of XTZ. But first we need to wait for the completion of this bullish bad pattern. If you want to take it as a single trade, for example, if you want to buy it here and sell it here, then I have also shared the buying and sell targets in the video's description as well. I am also sharing the link of my blog in the video's description, where I am sharing all the detailed analysis on the different assets as well. And you can also follow my blog, and I hope that you will also support my blog as well as you are supporting my channel. So this was the update so far, and let me tell you one more move that we have. The simple moving averages here. This is the 25, 50, 100, and 200. At this time, the 50 simple moving average is crossing down this 100 simple moving average. That is the bearish signal, because whenever the smaller time moving average crosses down the bigger time moving average, at that time the price action moves down. And whenever the smaller time moving average crosses up the bigger time moving average, at that time the price goes up. At this time you can see that the 50 simple moving average forming a bear cross or moving down from 100 simple moving average. So at this time the smaller time period moving average is moving down, so we can expect that the price action can move more down, and this will be the main reason that can support the price line to move up to this level to complete this final leg of bullish bad pattern. However, we should set this potential reversals on at our stop loss, because if this level will be broken out, then the leg can be more longer for the completion of the bullish crab pattern that starts from 1.27 and ends up to 1.618 Fibonacci retracement level, and from there it can start the bullish divergence. Therefore, in order to minimize the risk factor, we should set this level as a risk stop loss. So this was the update so far by the price action of XTZ. I hope that you have understood that why the price action of XTZ is not moving up, rather it is moving down only for the completion of this leg. So if you like the video, then do hit the like, do subscribe to my channel as well, and do share my videos as well, and do share your comments and your questions and your opinions with me in the comment section as well. Take care. Goodbye.